We are again exercise 7A from D1. Question number 1 is that state a rule. First of all, we should need to just write the rule and write down the next two terms. So for B part 80, 72, 64, 56 and 48. The sequence will also be right over there. We just need to check that either there which thing is common in this sequence. So check that first of all for common, you should need to check that 80, 72, 64. It means that will be decrease from top to bottom. It's mean definitely not should be anything added over there. The common will also be in subtraction. So in this term, in this sequence, the term will be subtraction. So 80 subtract 8, then we have to get 72. So 8 and for 64 again subtraction of 8, subtract 8 from each case. For again minus 8 and last one minus 8, then we have to get the next terms. So check that which thing is common. So in this common is subtract 8 from each term, then we have to get the next terms. So again for the next term, subtract 8, that should be our point. 48 minus 8, 40, and again subtract 8 from the 40, then we have to get 32. So these numbers should need to be required for the next two terms. And the rule for we are going to write the rule is that subtract 8 from each term to get next term. For the next rule will also be right over there, and now we have to write the next two terms. Next two terms are, so which are our next two terms? Number 1 40 and 32. सिंपल केस था आपके पास, सीक्वेंस गिवन है, आपने जस्ट रूल चेक करना है कॉमन की क्या चीज कॉमन आ रही है. कॉमन इसमें हमारे पास आया 8 हमने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया हर टर्म से, तो हमारे पास नेक्स्ट टर्म जनरेट होती गई. तो इसी तरह हमने दो नेक्स्ट टर्म जो उसने कहा है वो जनरेट किए हैं इसमें इस केस में, और हमने रूल में लिखा सब्ट्रैक्ट 8 फ्रॉम ईच टर्म टू गेट नेक्स्ट टर्म, कि एक टर्म से हम पहले जो टर्म हमें गिवन है उसमें से अगर हम 8 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे हमारे पास नेक्स्ट टर्म आ जाएगी. फिर इस तरह करते करते हमारे पास नेक्स्ट फर्दर टू टर्म्स हमने फाइंड आउट किए. इसके बाद हमारे पास आया सेकंड कि नेक्स्ट टू टर्म्स आर कौन सी हैं, तो हमारे पास आई 40 एंड 32. If you feel any query about this one, first of all you should need to review this video. After this one, अगर आपको फिर भी अगर क्लियर नहीं हो रहा, so kindly comment me. As well as you should need to always do with practice. आपने खुद पहले प्रैक्टिस करके चेक करनी है. Is there any question? Hope so. Whenever you have to practice 1 to 2 times for these 2 or 3 questions, then you have a great idea about this one. These are simply questions. Thank you so much.